Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be trading this particular coin called TA. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you have some available USDT on your balance so that we can start trading this particular coin. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so all you just need to do is to watch carefully and follow whatever we're displaying here carefully so that you can earn irrational profits from your trading. So without waste of time, let's quickly dive into it. We're going to look for this particular coin called the TE. Okay, now this is the particular coin I'm talking about. I'm talking about this particular coin known as TA. Okay, I wanted coming in before all of this, but actually I think is really trying to take a move. Okay, you can see its inflow and the outflow is actually reasonable. This shows that a lot of people are still planning to invest on it. Okay, and again, the reason why I choose to trade this coin is because I've seen this coin with a very huge negativity, with a very huge breakdown, with a very huge minus, which is over minus 20% currently. Okay, and looking at its chart, it's just like trying to do well. You can see it's actually trying to do well. So, and also when I look at the past movement of this particular coin, I realize that yes, this coin actually has been down for like a while and is trying to take a rational move this time. Okay, so let's quickly look at this coin and see what we can do with this coin and make profit. So as you can see, bybit have changed a new look. I think the app has been updated and is even looking more friendly than it used to be. Okay, so you can see they even notifying that TA is actually surging. It's actually surging. So all you just need to do is to buy. Okay, I'm going to click on buy now, but I realize that a lot of my almost all my finance is in trading already. So I'll have to fund the account now. Let me fund the account again so that I can use it to trade again. So I'll quickly fund the account. This TA will be seriously surging because I think this is the best coin you can buy now. Okay, so let me fund my account. I'm going to like go straight to bybit p2p. Let me fund like 30 USD. Okay, coming to this particular place, I'll have to look for somebody to trade with. So let me quickly fund my account. So I just got my coin. So I will go back to trade this particular coin like right now. Where's the coin? It is called the TA. Oh my god. Okay, it is called the TA. Wow, it's already gone, I think. Do I still need to join this trade down? But actually, you can still watch it to your taste, and after watching it to your taste, you have to dive into it and make something reasonable for yourself, because this particular coin is going to keep moving. It will be surging higher. All right, so that is by the way, I'm going to come to this place and transfer this asset. I have to transfer this asset from my funding account to my trading account. I'll transfer all. Okay, it's done already. So I have to come to this place to trade this particular TA coin. Okay, So I have to click on buy now. So clicking on buy now, let me use 20 USD first. Don't forget, always leave this place at market price. Okay, trading with 20 currently. All right, choosing the market price. Okay, I've just invested in this particular coin. Let me see how it will be in the nearest time. Okay, I'll click on the candlestick to see where we are and what we have. So this particular coin is a coin that you can always keep watching it closely, and definitely you will make a rational profit from this particular cryptocurrency coin. So if you do have any question, just drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. You can see the average that I bought it. You can see the average that I bought it here, and you can see where it is currently. I'm hoping for this coin to get to which volume. Let me see. Wow. Ah, hmm. I think this coin is actually out to surge. Okay, it's actually out to surge. So buy and smile later. Okay, buy it and smile later. All right. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.